Wondering how much you will earn from each paperback sale on Amazon KDP? Let me show you exactly where to check your royalty breakdown. If you are on your KDP bookshelf, click Continue Setup next to your paperback draft. Then click the three dots and choose Edit Paperback Rights and Pricing. But if you are already in the middle of setup, like you just finished the details and content sections, you are probably already on the rights and pricing page. Just scroll down a bit to the pricing section. Here, you will see a breakdown for each marketplace. For example, I set my list price to $11 on Amazon.com. The printing cost here will be $2.32 and the royalty rate is 60%. So my royalty comes out to $4.28 per sale. Just a quick tip, smaller books with black and white interiors usually cost less to print, which means more profit for you per sale. If you're still working on your paperback interior or cover, I will link the tool I use for formatting down below. That really simplifies everything. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.